Hello, I'm Kylie, and I am going to show you today how to create an assignment where the students are able to edit. So, to get started, you're going to be under your classwork page, and you're going to go to Create, and we're just going to be creating an assignment. And this assignment, I'm going to go ahead and title it here. We're just going to do some introductions. So, I have created and I'll go over here. I'll get to the instructions in a moment. We're just going to add from our Google Drive. And we're going to add a Google slide where the students are going to be able to find their slide and edit it and add in pictures. They can add in some of their favorite things. So in it, I'll show you quickly. Give some directions. I have an example on slide 2. And then the students will find their names in the following slides. So you can see over on the left-hand side here, they'll find their names. So there's an example and everything. So in order for them to allow them to edit, over here on the right-hand side, we're just going to click on Students Can Edit File. As simple as that. And I would go ahead and do the instructions, and I would, fill out the rest, but for time's sake, that is how you create an assignment where the students can edit. Thank you so much.